Woman exposes her chest to other drivers on I-75 in Collier County. Wait, is it Collier County or Lee County? Lee County, Florida. Caught on camera exposing her chest to other drivers on I-75. Pulling her shirt up, exposing her chest to other drivers on Friday. Within a week, drivers have been recorded pulling a couch with a convertible Mini Cooper and riding unsecured in the back of a flatbed work truck. These drivers, in many cases, are putting their lives at risk and possibly putting you. I mean, fuck it. Let's add these in as well. Wow, she is just hanging out the window. Guy trying to pass the car in front of him on the left. What the fuck is he doing? Stupid fucking bitch. The Florida Highway Patrol has also confirmed that woman caught the video exposing herself broke the law. That's because he should have been wearing a seatbelt in addition to a shirt. I've seen stuff happen on I-75, but like I've never seen something like this. Says Morgan Wozniak. Last week, we spoke to Florida Highway Patrol about the woman who decided to move her couch with her Mini Cooper. The couch itself was bigger than the Mini Cooper, says Lieutenant Greg Bueno from the Florida Patrol. That's how tragedies happen, and we've had far too many of those recently. Woman driving full convertible Mini Cooper seen hauling full-sized couch. Woman was driving on camera, yada yada. Caught driving. Camera driving her Mini Cooper convertible, hauling her cargo in a different Indian. Horrible idea, yada yada. Video was taken Monday on Estero Community Bridge. It can be seen holding the couch with a hand that should have been on the steering wheel. Lieutenant Bueno says that multiple problems with the picture. It's not properly stretched down. She's holding it all with her right arm. It's obstruction of view. If you're not familiar with Mini Coopers, they are not cars by any stretch of the imagination. It's simply too large of an object to place on top of a Mini Cooper. The video and the pictures don't show you where she's driving. Bridge crosses over busy I-75. If that couch were to come loose for any reason, it puts drivers on the bridge and then below on the interstate in horrible danger. Jorgen and Jorgen! How tragedies happen. I wish the video thing was working. And this one was just sitting on cooler on back of tree. And this is another one where we don't have the name. Oh, we're almost there. Oh, thank God. My voice is starting to really, actually, genuinely give up on me. That's disgusting. Did anyone get a picture? I mean, we really need video evidence for proof, preferably in 4K so we can match birthmarks. That's so trashy. Where? Dang, I missed it. Oh no, what is the world coming to? Not boobs. Anyway. Not wearing seatbelts. A poorly written article. Oh. I or need much. Boobs are good clickbait. This happens in Florida frequently. Florida women like their titties out. Be right back. Moving to Florida. May or may not have heard. Titty Tuesday. Collier County? Yeah, she just wanted some crack. Titty Tuesday and the Big D.